Okay, today we have an enclosed trailer. We're gonna change the wiring harness plug on this trailer because the one that has it is very is already like old and damaged, as you can see. Excuse me. It has a big hole in there, and the lights of the trailer they're not working. Uh, like couple of them, the lights they're not working as they're supposed to be because I already checked the light bulbs and they're good. So I'm suspecting that this it needs to be replaced. As you can see, it's totally fried and you know a lot of stuff. Okay, so my brother-in-law went to Northern Tool and bought this big core wiring harness, and it's already ready to go. Like you can see, you just cut the colors, but I don't like that one, so I prefer go to to the trailer
Ok, entonces,
store parts because they sell just this little part right here, so you don't have to mess with the other one. Because if you install the other one,
somos the same.
uh, sometimes it doesn't work
Vamos a quitar
correct
este.
on the lights. Okay, so just unplug this one that has two screws on the bottom and one very small on top at the end of the plug. Okay, so make sure you buy this one at your local trailer store when they sell parts and trailers, because they can sell this part just for $10. The other harness, it was like $25 on Northern Tool, and I installed one of those before in my other trailer, and the lights and everything was messed up, so they're not the same color codes that it has on the wiring harness. Okay, so I prefer doing
¿Ves?
this
¿Ves?
way because it's easier,
Quítalo de
and
aquí.
in this case I don't need a really big extension. I only need just the head of the plug head. So I'm just gonna replace this one right here. My little helper is here helping me to make sure I'm
Espera.
doing the right way. Okay, he's got the little screw that I'm gonna use later for the other screw on top of the plug. But it's pretty simple. You just disconnect this part right here. Oh, I need the other one, the little screw right there. See, you need a little screwdriver like this one. It's very small. This is very small screw right here that goes attached to the trailer. And actually, let me just move the camera a little bit. So, yeah, just like that. Okay. So, pull it all the way out because there you go. See how bad it is. And as you can see, I found out that there is a broken wire right here, little broken wire. So just disconnect all the wires from it, from the plug, the old plug, and then after that we went ahead to cut all the wires as well. I should be just cut it right here. I'm just thinking of, of that right now, since I'm just editing the video. Yeah, I should be just cut it and that's it, right? Because I'm gonna use a new wire. Now the one is already out because it's already messed up. This is about this. Oh my bad. About these are the my local trailer store parts. So just make sure it's pretty easy. Even if just make sure to take a picture of them. But if not, all the colors should be just the same on the other plug. It should be set brown with brown. It should be green with green. All the initial of the color codes, they're attached to the new plug as well. The only one is going in the center And this occasion is the yellow one. The yellow wire, it goes in the center right there. That's the yellow color. So make sure the yellow color is gonna be just in the center, okay? That's the last one. There you go. So you can see all the wire are old, so I'm gonna just cut it. Oh, just pull out this part too. Okay, cut it. Make a new wire. Oh, got the old ones right there. Very simple, like I said before. It's cutting like one level, one side, so they will, all of them is gonna fit just perfect. Okay, the last one, the blue baby. This is for my trailer. No, it's not my trailer, my brother-in-law trailer. And then later I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna upload a video how to do it, how to install the on your Ford F-150. He has one Ford that he's gonna connect to the trailer, and we need a different plug because it has a different plug on the truck. Yeah, my boy, he's here helping me to explain the video, as you can see. So all you're gonna do is here. This one, it has just only one screw on the bottom, on the back, and the little one on the top. Okay. There you go. Now we're gonna pull it all the way, and there's a little one here as well, like in the other one. Okay, so just be patient, and you're gonna have a new trailer back alive again. This one works with any trailer plugs that of 7 pins. Okay, it's the same on all of them. Make sure don't lose the little part right here from the plug socket. Okay. See, let's pull it out all the way. Okay. Now let me think how I'm gonna push the front out so I can install the wires inside. Just like that. Okay. Let me turn the volume a little bit down. Okay. So there you go. See, as you can see, it's very simple. And it comes, like I showed you before, it comes with the color, the letter colors here: white, blue, brown, green, black, and red. And remember, the yellow, it goes in the middle of them. Okay, just insert them through it, just like here. Yeah, put the socket first, shell first. Okay. So here, just like I said, I installed first the yellow one because it goes in the center, the blue one, and then the brown, and then the red, green, and white last. Okay, or whatever is easier for you, just install it good. Make sure that they're gonna be good installation, so you don't have to lose one of the wires when you install it, because sometimes it moves. So make sure it's tight enough. Double check twice. Just twice is double check, right? Makes sense. All right, I'm doing the so I got the brown, the black. This is the black one, the one I'm doing it right now. So I got black, brown, blue. Now it's green next. Okay. Make sure to put it like flat so you can get a better grip when you install them right here. This is going to the green. Okay, green is done, white is done. All of them are done. Double check all of them, make sure all of them are good to go. Just do it again, you know, because you don't want to repeat the process again when it's not installing right. Okay, make sure everything's good. I'm gonna apply a little bit electric grease. That's grease for electric purpose only. This one right here, the electric grease, okay? Just to keep him nice, lubricate. There you go. You can buy this one at your local auto parts. You can also add black tape. That's up to you. I'm just gonna put this grease, that's it. All right, more here, more there. So next, we're just gonna install the socket, okay, socket shelf. There you go, just like that, and that's pretty simple, guys. All you gotta have is just patience, time. See, and you're gonna have now really nice, you know, wiring harness trailer, just like this. Install the little one first. The little one. Use the little screwdriver. It's very little. That way I drop it. Just like that. I'm gonna count the lawnmower after this, as you can see. All right. Lo mejor no son los regalos, sino tener con quién compartirlos. ¡Feliz Navidad a todos! All right. That's it, guys. That's all I need. Make sure this part, if it does fit just one way. So even if you try to do like, let me show you real quick, like this, it's not. It works, but if you put the wrong side, it's not gonna work. Okay. So let me just do it this way. There you go. Okay, and install the last screw. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, guys. You know, you don't have to take it to the to get someone to fix it. Normally, you take it to the trailer. When you buy the trailers, and they charge a lot of money to just change these. And I'm just paying like, I spent $10. That's all I spent. Okay, $10 to fix my trailer wireless harness. Okay, that's it, guys. You're ready to go. Always apply grease to leave it nice and tight. All right, cool. See you next time, guys. Thank you for watching Rescue to the Rescue. I try to do my best. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.